The project that we're on now is a highway widening project, approximately 23 miles of I-66 here in Northern Virginia. It goes from the Capital Beltway to Gainesville, Virginia. It doesn't handle the volume of traffic that we have today very efficiently.
It's one of the major corridors for Washington, D.C., the capital of the United States.
The project is basically trying to install express lanes and also reconfigure the existing lanes. Nothing's going to end up in the same place that it was before. We have to make sure that people can still use the corridor during construction safely and efficiently. So our job is to plan out how the work will be done so that it can get done in a way that doesn't inconvenience anybody too much. The project is being done to provide benefits to the public and to the area.
When it's all said and done, it will cut down on the number of accidents that are out there.
It's a great project and it's going to be very good in my career because I'm doing a little bit of everything. I have to be sort of 50% in the field and 50% in the office, coordinating between all the subcontractors, making sure the designs are implemented correctly in the field, everything is done properly. I've learned a lot about the construction industry.
I think having a company that values the personal development, I think is a key in today's industry overall.
When I first started, I was catching small things that was more cost effective if done in a certain way. But now I'm catching things in the design that could save a couple $100,000, maybe even millions of dollars.
Professionally, my growth has increased a lot. I get more and more responsibilities, and I am an engineering training right now. I'm 2 years to go to getting my professional engineer license.
The support that I have between my managers, between my team, there's no way in the world I can do it by myself. No way. I have to have my team.
Diversity is huge within the company. We've got people from all over the world.
The diversity helps because we have folks that are not just culturally different, but it's work experience diversity. So you have things that may have not been ever done here in this state that have been implemented somewhere else that are going to add value to the end product.
I look forward to coming to work mostly because of my colleagues.
I do give high fives on Fridays. And I was going downstairs and I was like, yeah, I have Friday, and then I was the CFO, Alberto. And I didn't know who he was at the time. But the next Friday, do you know he was looking for me to give me that high five? And even now, he still looks for me to give me a high five on Fridays.
I'm originally from Canada, and my coworker, we were chit-chatting about what we're going to do for Thanksgiving. I was just around. He invited me to have Thanksgiving with his parents. He definitely went out of his way because he knew that I was from out of town. It was really good. Fam, they had like a turkey giveaway, so we had that turkey, and then other food, candied yams, green bean casserole.
Moving to a new place, a new area just for a job is really hard if you don't know anybody. So when I'm able to call people at work friends, it really makes things a lot easier.